Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this class, we are going to see Introduction of Computer C language. Before going to the computer programming language or C language, we have to answer some questions here. See, first one is, what is computer programming language? First question. And second, why we need to learn a C programming language? Next, where you can use C programming language? If you answer these three questions, definitely you will get some idea why you need to learn C programming language, right? See, the first one. Before going to that, I'm going to explain the small story. Alice is there, so he knows only Telugu, right? And Bob is there, Bob knows only Tamil. If you want to communicate Bob and Alice, it is not possible because Alice knows only Telugu, but Bob knows only Tamil. If you want to Alice communicate with the Bob, either Alice learn Tamil or Bob learn Telugu. Otherwise, it is not possible for the communication like that. If you want to communicate with computer, you know English, but computer knows computer programming language. If you want to communicate with the computer, you should learn computer programming language. Means if you want to control computer, if you want to give the instruction to the computer, you should know the computer programming language. Right? Is this clear? So if you want to control, if you want to give the instruction to the computer, you should learn computer programming language. And here, see, so many languages are available in this market. C, Java, C++, and Python, so many languages. But why you need to learn a C language? See, C language is a basic language. Like always, we'll start with a bicycle, right? Instead of scooter or bike. Why? It is a functionality is same, right? It is migrated from the cycle to bike. So the only difference is if you learn a small functionalities like rise, bike, and brake system. If you learn those kinds of functionalities, then it is easy to migrate from the seat bicycle to bike like that. If you perfect in the C language, you can migrate from one language to another language. It's very easy. All the functionalities is a basic level in a C language. It follows a procedure-oriented programming language as well as, right? Is this clear? And C programming language started in the 1972, right? Earlier that, so many languages are available. See, the first it starts with the ALGOL. It's an algorithmic language, right? It is 1958. It is 1958. Right? Is this clear? And it's comes influenced by BCL, right? BCL, and Simla, CPL, and Pascal C. And CPL, Computer Programming Language. So, University of Cambridge in 1960, right? It is influenced by Fortran, right? And Martin Rich is developed by CPL. So, B language. B language. Is this clear? B language. And coming to the Ken Tomlinson, it is a B language. And in 1972, it was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Please note this. Who developed by C language means Dennis Ritchie developed. Right? In 1972 at Bell Laboratory. Bell Laboratory. The main principle behind the C language is it is a procedure-oriented programming language or structure-oriented programming language. So it started a very 1972. Still, you are using a C language because of it is a basic language. It is a basic language for all the languages. If you know C language, it is very easy to migrate from C language to other languages. It is very easy, right? So like a bicycle, if you know the bicycle, it is easy to migrate from the bicycle to scooter or a bicycle to bike, right? Yes or no? If you learn C language, the logic changing from one language to another language, just if you learn small syntaxes. For example, if you know a C language, you are able to develop some program in a C language. It is easy to migrate from C language to other languages if you learn the small syntaxes, right? Only you should perfect in the one language, that is in the starting, and the initial language is the C language, right? and where you can use a C programming language. See, it is a very older language, but still it is a faster language also. So many, still in the real-time situations we are using C language. The first one, Windows, Linux, Mac operating systems, kernels mostly developed in a C language. Means like copying, pasting, kernels, right, is a heart of the operating system, or writing in the C language only. And iOS, Apple iOS, Android, Windows phones, kernels are also written in C language. Please note this. The mobiles. So mobiles are very famous nowadays. Everyone handles their own mobiles, right or wrong. So in the mobiles also, they are writing kernels, means the operating system. This is a heart to the operating system in the C language, right? And 3D movies and embedded systems. Embedded systems, like if you observe that embedded systems like ACs, right, where the software is installed, all comes under the embedded systems, right? Everywhere where you require the fast, right, where you require the fast operations, those operations is possible with the C language, right? And the Python interpreter, you know, the Python language is very famous, right? Still the Python interpreter reference in written in C language, right? There's so many game developers are going to use Python, C language. The reason is, see, for example, they are going to develop some shooting game, right? So you need to shoot the hazards, right? So the operation should be very fast and it should respond quickly. For the situations, you are going to use a C language, right? Is this clear? C language is developed in 1972, still in the real time, and the market needs surveyed using a C language. And as well as it is a basic for every language. It is easy to migrate from the C language. If you know C language, so within 10 to 20 days, you can migrate from C language to other languages, right? If you learn the C syntaxes, it's enough, right? For example, the main difference in the C language and C++, right? If you want to develop some factorial program in C language, if you want to migrate into the C++, you know only two things extra. What is that? How to read a data and how to print the data. If you know these two syntaxes, it is easy to migrate because all the syntaxes are same, like for loop and initialization. Everything is same in C as well as the C++, C and Java, right? Is this clear? If you perfect in C language, it is easy to migrate to any other language. If you know C language, if you want to migrate into the Python, it is just a matter of 5 to 6 days is enough, right? That much easy if you learn C language, right? So C language is going to offer based on the procedure oriented programming language or structure oriented programming language, right? Is this clear? Okay, thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.